In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contact fields in Insightly. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and type Insightly into your search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the Insightly website appear in your search results. Go ahead, click on it to access the site. Once you're on Insightly's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. This step is straightforward if you're already familiar with your login credentials. Simply enter your username and password, then click the Login button to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. What we're looking for is the Objects and Fields option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new section. This is where you can manage all the different objects available in Insightly. Now, from the list of available objects, pinpoint the Contacts object, as that's the one we want to modify today. Click on Contacts, and it will take you to the specific settings area for contact information. Next, within the Object Management menu, there's an option labeled New Field. It's time to click on that, which will allow us to create a new custom field that suits your specific needs. Selecting the appropriate type for this field is crucial. Consider what information you're targeting. Is it a date, a number, or perhaps text? Insightly offers several options, so choose the one that aligns best with your new field's intended use. Now, with your new field type selected, shift your focus to entering the field details. Under Field Label, you'll be prompted to give your field a distinct name, such as Billing ID or whatever fits your particular requirement. The field name will automatically generate based on the field label, but don't worry if you need something different here. You can adjust it according to your preferences. Once you're happy with the field label and name, the next key step is to save this new field. Look for the Save Custom Field button and click it to lock in all the details you've entered. With the new field safely stored, it's time to ensure that it integrates seamlessly into the user experience. To do this, navigate over to the Page Layouts section within the Contact Object settings. Here, you can define how and where your new field will appear on the contact page layout. Make sure it's placed in a spot where it's easily accessible and visible to users who need to see it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new contact field to Insightly. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, and feel free to revisit any section if you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.